Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you know, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, helping clients devise their own investment strategies through our technology products and solutions Vetri, innovative investment strategies, so far, Sonifar and Bombits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies and help clients make money regardless of the market conditions. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end. Don't stop in between. Click the bell icon so that you will get the notification the moment I put the video. Encourage your friends and known person to subscribe so that they also get the same benefits that you get. In today's video, today is September 10, 2022, Saturday. As always, in this video, we will be discussing about the global market performance, that is S&P, Dow, Nasdaq and FTSE, and currencies and commodities for the week of September 5th to September 9, 2022. On September 3rd, in our monthly video, we had given a monthly video for global markets. We had clearly told that there are three possibilities where Dow, FTSE and Nasdaq, it has formed a double bottom, and hence there is one of the possibilities that it can go up. We have to see how the trend happens, whereas FTSE will go up because it formed a reversal on September 1st and 2nd in the daily chart. That is what we had indicated. In this week, as we expected, Dow jumped up, everything jumped up. Dow jumped up by 2.7% and closed at 32,151.71. Nasdaq closed 4.5% at 12,112.31, while S&P jumped up by 3.6%, closing at 4,067.36. FTSE moved just 1% at 7,351.07. So where it has closed in the weekly chart, Dow Jones is just below the Bollinger exponential moving average and Bollinger middle band, and it has formed a bullish bar reversal and also bullish engulfing candle. Same is the case with Nasdaq. However, it is above the Bollinger middle band but below the exponential moving average. Whereas S&P is the strongest of all the three, with the price being above the Bollinger middle band and also the exponential moving average in the weekly chart. FTSE on the other hand is above middle band but below exponential moving average. FTSE, as I have been indicating, did not fall much in the last month, and also hence the up move is also not that much, but it is on a strong up move. Strong reversal has happened. In the daily chart, Dow, Nasdaq, S&P and FTSE is above the exponential moving average but below the middle band. But of all the four, FTSE is the strongest, with the S&P the next strong, and it is trending up. Of course, we can expect some fall or correction on Monday, but the up move, short-term up move is intact at least till September 20 when Fed meeting happens. In the monthly, all till date, every indices have formed a bullish piercing pattern. This is what one of the possibility that we are expected on the September 2nd video, which you can go and see that video also. So, because the trend is up, unless otherwise something dramatic happens on September 20, we can see the up move in the month of September. But still, it has to close above the exponential moving average and the middle band in the monthly. Then only we will say it is out of danger. CBOE VIX at 22.79. It fell significantly from the previous week, formed a solid red candle after a hanging man type of a candle it formed in the last week. Still, it is not enough for the volatility to come down and markets to go up substantially. Next is dollar index. Dollar index at 108.977. In the weekly, it formed a bearish angle, first reversal from the upper band. The daily, it is above the exponential moving average but above the middle band. Monthly, it has formed a shooting star and slightly below the upper band, which is at 109.57. Hence, if it is able to if it is able to close below the upper band, then we can see some reversal in October. However, as we had indicated last week itself, 105.30 is very strong support, or even 107 is going to act as a very strong support around 107 levels. Hence, we have to see whether it is taking out in the daily, weekly, and monthly chart. Particularly monthly chart, it should close below the Bollinger upper band by the end of the month. When you look upon when you analyze the individual component that constitutes the dollar index, first is euro versus USD at 1.0039. Weekly, it formed a bullish engulf. Bands are showing exhaustion, which is a good sign. In the monthly chart, till now it has formed a doji star. Daily, it is moving up above the middle band and exponential moving average. GBP versus USD, it is also more or less the same pattern. It closed at 1.1587, bullish piercing pattern. Still bands are down, not like Euro versus USD where bands are showing some exhaustion, which is a good sign from a Euro USD perspective, but GBP still needs to show strength. Still it is below the exponential moving average and middle band. That is why that reflection happens in the weekly chart. Monthly, again it formed a doji star. Hence, if it closes around this level, GBP against USD and Euro versus USD, we can expect some up move in the next month. USD versus JPY, 142.52. In the weekly, it formed a solid green candle and formed a slightly long upper wick, which means it went up. It went up all the way above 144.2 levels and then came back, but still it is above the upper band. And in the daily, it is slightly down, but not a reversal. It is a red candle it formed. In the monthly, it is riding along the upper band. So dollar index, as we had indicated, 7th month it is riding along the upper band, hence it is on up move. USD, Euro versus USD and GBP versus USD is sliding down, and USD versus JPY is on an uptrend. So till that happens, we will not see any reversal, meaningful reversal happening in the dollar index. Hence, coming to our interest, USD versus INR at 79.635. In the weekly, it formed a spinning top after red candle it formed last week, and it is still above the exponential moving average and middle band. Hence, it going below 79.30 closing basis is not going to happen on a weekly, and by the end of this month, it is going to close above 80.05 because it is the 7th month in succession. It will be closing above the Bollinger upper band in the monthly chart, which it will happen because in the weekly, though it is sideways with a slightly drifting down, it is not going below, breaking below. Hence, it will reverse and go up. US 10-year yield 3.315. In the weekly, it is touching the upper band. One way move up for the 6th or 7th candle, green candle formed and moved up. 5th week of green candle. In the monthly, it is nicely riding along the upper band. As long as it is above the upper band, daily also it is moving towards the upper band. As long as it is above the upper band, it will not come below and it will not close below 3.12 by the end of this month. Brent at 92.19 and NYMEX at 86.09. In the weekly, it formed a spinning top and doji star respectively. In the monthly chart, it is above the middle band but below the exponential moving average. In the daily, it formed morning star on combining Wednesday, Thursday and Friday candle, which means it is turning up. See, in this month, it has slightly gone below. The previous month's low is taken. Last week in our video, we said that previous month's low is not taken, but in this week, it had taken it out. Hence, we expect it to, if this trend comes in the daily chart, continues, it will go up, and by the end of this month, it can close somewhere between, Brent can close between 94.90 to 97.40, while NYMEX will close somewhere between 89.23 to 92.13. If that happens, this is not a good sign from a dollar and from a Brent and NYMEX oil perspective, which is not a good sign for India. Thank you very much.
Audio Jungle.